Alright, sorry guys, the videos have been few and far in between. Still waiting for the nerve damage to heal so my arms work. Right now I still can't lift my arms up in front of me or out to the side, but it is getting better slowly. It's probably going to be months before I'm back to normal. Anyway, I do have a lot of neat little things here. Some stuff for the Saab, some stuff for the FJ, something for, actually one or two things for the Voyager. But for today, with my arms being in the condition they are, I can at least get away with doing this. Alright, this is going to be a neat little modification to fill in the indentations here, here, and down here. At the same time, what it does is give you better reflectivity at night. If your door's open on the side of the road, and of course light hits it, it'll reflect and just give you a little bit more safety and all that stuff. The neat thing is these reflectors I found, and I'll put a link in the description above. You can get them in different colors. You can get them in the standard yellow, red, blue, and I think there's a couple other colors. And needless to say, because I drive the blue FJ, I went ahead with the blue reflectors. Earlier, a few years ago, I added this little red reflector here. So at least from the side, that lights up. I shouldn't say lights up, but that reflects quite a bit of light at night also. It's just for safety, guys. So basically, to fill in these, I'm going to be using this. So on the left hand side, I went ahead and figured out the way that they fit the way that I like them. So I'll go ahead and actually put those in. I won't show the right side because it's actually the same thing, but I will go ahead and get these fit in. They're nice and thick, and they're rounded. They're actually made quite nice, and they weren't that expensive. Of course, I got them on AliExpress, so if you order them, you have to wait a few weeks. That's the only problem, but it is going to be nice to go ahead and fill in those indentations. At the same time, these are going to be very reflective. And the first one we'll use is this one here. And of course, there's a left and right side. So I found that it looks like this one is going to fit nicely right here. So let me go ahead and get the backing off again. There's 4 of these. I'll put these on. And you won't really film it. It's easy enough. You just peel this off. Take your time, make sure it's lined up, press them in place. I used the old 91% rubbing alcohol to clean this off twice, let it dry, and I'll go ahead and get these on. So again, this will be quite nice, and I believe there's a picture that shows these being used at night and how bright they can actually be. Again, giving you added safety and at the same time filling in these indentations. Alright, so I'm using a pair of industrial tweezers. That's the backing there. And 3 to go for this side. And again, that's pretty much how it comes out. Again, just take your time lining it up the way that you see fit. And I'll get the other 3 in, so there'll be 4 total, and you can see the whole thing. And then I believe I can go ahead and find a nice little picture of what these look like at night. And again, you can get them in different colors. I just happen to want the blue because it goes with the blue door. Okay, so there you have it. I'll do the other side here. Of course, I won't show it because it's exactly the same, just the opposite. And that's basically them all stuck on. Again, at nighttime, there's quite a bit of reflectivity, just to give you a bit more safety with this door being open, showing the edge of the door in case there's any passing traffic and you happen to be on the side of the road. Anyway, guys, that's it. You know what to do. Go ahead and like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for future content. Appreciate you watching. I'll go ahead and get this on YouTube just as quickly as I can.